Hey, how you doing today? Good morning. My name's David. I just decided to go ahead and do a quick walk around of the truck for you. I know you're looking to buy from out of state, so I know how it is because I bought this truck from out of state. Bought it from Arizona. I'm in the military, and I was over there on a mission, and I saw this truck over there, and I decided I wanted it. So I paid $1,200 to ship it here to Clarksville, and I'm gonna run over the truck with you real quick just to show you everything that it's about. It's really in a pretty excellent shape for this year model truck, and I hate to have to let it go, but like I said, me and my family have to move out of state to Virginia, and we don't want to have the hassle of shipping 3 cars over there. So I pull the truck out in the sunlight, that way you get a chance to look at it real good. I'm gonna go over real detail with you. So you can look at the paint here on the hood. It's really, there's no dents. There's like little chips here, just small, tiny chips. You'll just barely see them. But that's very easy to touch up. But there's only a few chips on this hood here, and there's nothing up in that area. Just along the front end here. Just the truck's 2004. It's going to have little tiny stuff with it, but the grill is in great shape. No dings, dents. Bumper's in excellent shape. No dents on the bumper. Got a little brush guard down here at the bottom, up there. I'll go over the side with you now. No dents up in this area, no scratches, no faded paint, absolutely nothing. Even the trim is still in, good shape. I keep it blacked out though. Every time I wash the truck, I put like Armor on there just to keep it, look new. Here's my brand new tires I got. Now, these tires are just one size up, oversized. That way, it gives it a little bit better stance. Like I said, these tires only have about 300 miles on there. These wheels have no damage, no rust anywhere. Got brand new brakes put on here. Probably done within the last month. No scratches in the windows, no dents on the doors. No dents on the back panels here. Here's the back tire, no scratches, no rust. No rust in here anywhere. Like I said, this truck's from Arizona. It's been there its whole life, so it's going to have absolutely zero rust on the frame anywhere. Here's the spray-in bed liner I put in here. A little bed extender there. Here's the tailgate. No rust on tailgate, no dents, scratches. No dents in the bumper. Here's underneath the truck, no rust. I mean, if you want to get in there with a fine-tooth comb and scrub it, that's what I was going to do eventually, because I like to have my truck clean. You can do that, but all that is down there is just dirt. All that can be cleaned up. I looked it over really good, and there's no rust anywhere on this truck. Like I said, I haven't had it very long because I had a lot of. I didn't know we were moving, and we just kind of found out a couple weeks ago. So that's the only reason I'm selling it. Once again, no rust in there anywhere. No damage on the tires. No dents on the side here, on this side. No rust in there. No damage to the wheels. No rust on the wheels. I'm going to the passenger side here. So here's inside the truck. You can look at the seats. The seats are still in very excellent shape. It's unbelievable. Whoever had this truck before me, they took really good care of it. Like I say, it's a one-owner truck, you know, when I bought it. So it's practically still a one-owner truck. Here's down inside here. Really good shape. And this was the piece right here that I replaced. This entire piece right here, the small piece. And the only reason I replaced it is because someone put a XM radio receiver that had it glued in right here. So I didn't like that. I could have probably just sanded it down and painted it, but I just decided to replace it. I wanted to have it perfect, so I paid about 150 bucks for this panel here from Toyota. So we go to the back side. Here's the top portion here. No scratches, scuffs, marks anywhere. Here's the back end. No scuffs, scratches to the doors or anything. No tears in the seats. Like I said, I bought brand new floor mats from Toyota. These are the actual OEM floor mats. I've only had these for about 2 weeks, so let me show you. There's the Toyota logo right there, Tacoma. Alright, so we'll go to the other side. Once again, no scuff marks on the door, scratches. Dash is in very excellent shape here. No tears in the steering wheel. Carpet's in excellent shape. No tear on the seat. And this is the driver's seat, so you would think it'd be in worse condition than this, but nothing. The only thing wrong with this section over here, this area, is this weather stripping here. Has a little wear in it down here at the bottom, right here, right in here, this area. I was going to replace it, but just haven't gotten around to it yet. And when I found out we came down on orders for a new assignment, I just decided, you know, I'm gonna let the new buyer pay for it, or, you know, if they want to replace it. So let me go ahead and crank her up so you can hear the motor run. Okay, so you hear the motor running. This right here is just a little dirt I need to get off. Nothing big. Once again, this motor is immaculate. It's so new looking that it's crazy. I mean, for this truck be this old, I mean, you can even still see the gold bolts in here. It's crazy. The problem area with these Tacomas is right down inside this area down here. You normally see a lot of rust down here. There's no rust anywhere. It still has the original VIN number on the panels here, right here. That way you know they've never been replaced, never been any accidents. Right there's the other one. Here's the hood. There's the VIN number on the hood. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're interested in the truck, you know, I'm a very honest person. I've went over everything with you on this truck that I can visually see, and I've taken really good care of it. You're going to be very proud and be happy to have it if you do purchase it. And if you have any more questions, just like I said, let me know, email me, and I'll be glad to respond to you. You'll be happy with it. Thanks for your time.